Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. I'm no tire expert, but I'd have to say, looking at these knobs on this Bridgestone trail wing tire, I am definitely approaching the end of the life of these tires. Look at the cracks in that rubber. And I was actually looking at a new TW today, and these knobs are definitely not. See how they're ramped? And look at how small they are. So in the store, they're probably up like this. So yeah, like my side knobs that have never touched pavement. Back tire's looking all right, but we're gonna replace the front tire. So anybody want to let me know in the comments what I should replace my front tire with? I picked up a Shinko 244 from Courtney Motorsports today. Let's take a look at the back tire. Yeah, you know, I might get another season out of this tire. And looking at new tires for the T-Dub. So, yeah, let me know your recommendations for a rear tire. Yeah, look at that. New tire time. And for those wondering, we're at 13,000 kilometers. So, that's that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.